Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you how to apply perspective warp in Photoshop. So here I have my photo and let's add the object. And now go to edit and select this perspective warp right here, and it says that we have to define planes. So what we're going to do is to draw plane on this part of the vehicle and then adjust it. Make sure you have the right direction. And now let's do the same thing to the other side. And now after that, just select this warp button right here, and then what you're going to do next is to press shift on your keyboard and select the part that you want to adjust, and then just drag it, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.